You know what's going on? But that's not what we're doing today. Look at this. What's in here though? Got back from the 2 wheels got here. That must be asking what?
Two wheels? What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? So honestly, I wouldn't have bought these wheels, like ordered them myself. They're sick as shit, but I wouldn't have to. If I would have bought wheels like from online or something, I would order something like this. So I came across this deal on the Facebook Marketplace.
Oh shit.
So that's why I bought it. Don't get me wrong, it's fucking shit. So I'm sure you guys want it. I haven't seen them. Got 2 wheels. I tracked the package and it's still
On the way. Sorry.
So you guys will see the video continue when we get the other 2. They fucking play soccer with this box or something. Damn, I was gonna wait till later, but I'm like, if I lag it, they're gonna say I fucking. So I just want to open it, see everything's good, or.
Bueno, pues, termina bien.
I mean, they got a little.
Oh shit.
This is the only one, but other than
Ya
that,
estaba.
I don't know if they had it or.
Me preguntas al guy. FedEx, you got a big golazo coming your way, bro.
Actually, I won this in a raffle for $25.
Jeez.
I don't know. Just got lucky. Took the random number. And I won. So this guy, these wheels actually came from Florida. Somewhere over there. Shout out this Dc5Creations. Sheesh.
Crazy.
Yeah, that guy makes a bunch of shit for the RSXs and raffles, and you know, pretty cool guy. So make sure you check him out. Sheesh. What a
This is the old wheel setup now. Old wheel que tiene 2 weeks on. It's the. We're gonna see what's up with them other wheels though. And if they don't fit this one, look who's ready over there for them to try them out, just to see what's up. Yes sir. Low carb problems. No cabe el gato. It's a little bit of poke, nothing much. Nothing some camera can fix. Sketchy. A media llanta, hijo.
It's on.
Ni es tanto, mira. Ni es tanto.
No mames. Help me out, guys. I don't know what to do. I just threw them away.
Ah, mira.
No se mira tanto en la cámara.
Entonces no está, ajá.
No sé.
Pero sí se mira un buen trancazo.
Yeah, it's from there.
I mean, you can tell in camera, look, right here.
You don't have a dollar? You're not cobra ni un convenio? Look at that. Oh, yeah. You can definitely see it from here. God damn. So I'm gonna do the rears now. If this shit's poking out, wait till you see this shit. This. That's a 17 by 11. I believe that's the rear. So, like, look at that. ¿No crees que fue?
Throw the whole car away.
Lo levanto, güey.
Mira nomás.
It's a 255 40. Bitch, I'm wrecking.
55s, no?
And this shit's big. No mames.
235s. ¿Y esos qué son? 55s. Mira, 55s. Pero, I mean, the back. Doesn't stick out that much.
Mexicans be like,
Casi nada. Mira.
let me lower this shit.
Sheesh.
Pretty young.
Ah, que se haga crack el fender todo. Fuck it, boy, send it. Mira.
Mango was packing, guys. You guys follow Dc5Creations, you guys can see. Mango was fucking packing. Look at that. He took that shit like nothing. What the fuck?
He was packing. Mira.
Look, like nothing compared to my shit.
Hey, yo, sir, how do we do that?
Y'all know the previous owner?
I don't know, it's just I'm pretty sure like
Sick as fuck, though.
negative 20 camber.
Help me out, guys. Having no camber, smallest tire, another car. What do you guys think? Can I even drive it?
I don't think so. But yeah, we made this video just to ask for help because we honestly don't know what the fuck can be done. I mean, you can probably hit up the fool that was running the tires and be like, hey, yo, what the fuck? So if you see this video, compa, let us know what we can do because I don't think we can run this shit like this. Mira. Nah, pero that's not the whole point. Look, the whole point is to show you guys the wheels on the car.
I think it's just a smaller tire. Also, they came with brand new tires.
Brand new tires. Pero mira. Just take a minute to appreciate this. Let me know what you guys think about the wheels. You guys like this one's better or the white ones? In my opinion, I don't know. I mean, the white one look fucking cool, pero estas, I don't know, they just give it like a different fucking aspect. I don't know. Different look. I don't
Who
know.
didn't want to own a pair of BBS?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, come on, it's some BBS.
So what? Honestly, I won't run this shit right now. But hey, there. So what do you think, Morijo?
I think we should throw them on that one. We should throw them on that one just to see. Crazy.
Alright, guys, so probably gonna throw them on just.
Right here, look. Part of the game. I want to throw those on this one. But yeah, guys. Tell us our advice. How do we fix this? How do we make these fit on that? Let us know in the comments, cause yeah, we came here to see a good fitment. I don't think this is the right channel. Fuck it, like, comment, subscribe. Tin, 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 tin.
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.